guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Welcome to day 3 of cocktail week. Today we're gonna enjoy this very delicious and refreshing frozen strawberry margarita. Please enjoy it responsibly, guys. Before we do anything, if you could sub, I'd really appreciate it. Make sure to turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make. First thing we need to do for our margaritas is salt the rim of our glass, okay? Just so you know, I'm using this lime margarita salt. Nobody's paying me, I'm just showing you what I'm using, okay? I got it on Amazon. But you can use regular salt if you want. So what we're gonna do is just wet the edge of our glass with some lime. And then we're gonna place it into the salt. Give it a little twirl. And there we go. If you're using regular salt, just put it on a plate. In this blender, I have 8 ounces or a cup of frozen strawberries. I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of lime juice. That's freshly squeezed lime juice, guys. 1/2 cup of tequila. 1 ounce of simple syrup. And 1 ounce of triple sec. All right, now I'm gonna go blend this. And here we have a very good looking frozen strawberry margarita. Salud! Yummy. This is delicious, but it is very strong, so watch it. Very treacherous. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll make some pisco sours.